This is a 2020 Tesla Model X. It is similar on a 2021 or after Model X or Model S. So I will use this car as a demonstration. First of all, you have to remove the 4 screws that secure the seat. So remove the seat all the way back. So it will reveal the 2 T45 screws in the front. We use a wrench to remove them. After the 2 screws in the front are removed, move the seat all the way to the front. And if possible, lift it up a little bit to unveil the rear screws. Okay. Now you can see the 2 screws here. You can remove them as well. Now, if you are installing on the driver's side, you can adjust the steering wheel to the highest inward position. Make sure the steering wheel is not blocking the seats. And then we have to adjust the seats slightly backward because it is interfered by the steering wheel. But when you are adjusting the seats, you can feel that there is a T20 screws below here. You need to make sure a T20 screws can screw in, otherwise you can actually adjust the seats to unveil the screw. Then you can flip the seat over. And you can find a connector and a wire connected to the seat. Disconnect this connector from the seat. It is just a tap here, press, and you can release the connector. And then you're ready to take out the seat. Here is how we take the seat out. We use one hand, slide in here in between the seat base and the seat back, and the other hand holding here. We will flip over the seat first. Make sure it is not scratching the steering wheel, and then we can pull it out.